All right. The latest right now, President Trump says Iran wants to talk, but it's too late. Iran says open to talk, but with dignity. We'll keep a keen eye on all developments. But all that is raging on in West Asia has implications where domestic politics back home is concerned. The principal opposition party, the Congress, has taken on the Modi government for silence on Khamenei's killing, warning it risks eroding the nation's global credibility.
War raging in West Asia. After killing of Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, India is witnessing a massive political war. Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi lashed out at the Modi government, calling its silence on Khamenei's assassination not neutral but abdication. She warned that India's silence is tacit endorsement of the killing. Writing in a national daily and seeking a full debate in Parliament, Sonia Gandhi slammed the government for ignoring the US-Israel onslaught and pointed out the assassination occurred without a declaration of war, calling it a violation of international law. She accused Prime Minister Modi of limiting his response to mere words about dialogue, urging clarity, courage and moral leadership. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, echoed his mother and urged Prime Minister Modi to speak up, warning that inaction now could erode India's credibility on the world stage. BJP hit back sharply, calling Sonia's claims misleading, stating that India has not been silent. They said that restraint protects millions of Indians in the Gulf and safeguards national interests. On Monday, Prime Minister Modi had called the widening conflict a matter of grave concern, stressing that India backs dialogue and diplomacy.
पश्चिम एशिया की वर्तमान स्थिति हमारे लिए गहरी चिंता का विषय है। भारत डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी के माध्यम से सभी विवादों का समाधान का समर्थन करता है।
Iran's Supreme Leader Khamenei was killed in a massive strike carried out by Israel and United States early Saturday. Back home, the debate rages: diplomacy or silence. Is India protecting its national interests at the cost of its credibility? Bureau Report, India Today.